Welcome, today we're going to show you how to install and play Cuphead on your iPhone or iPad. So there's two methods to play Cuphead on your iPhone or iPad. The first one will be installing it using Flex Store. So you need to actually open your browser Safari and search for flexstore.com and click on get as seen from here. After that you need to click on the share button as seen from here. And now you need to click on add to home screen. So Flex Store will be added to home screen right now. After that, you need to actually open it and click to add device from here, and now it will ask you to install the plugin of Flex Store on your iPad or iPhone. On your settings, on your general settings, you need to click on install to flexstore.com plugin. So after that, you can just hop on to Flex Store and search for Cuphead, and now you can just open it and install it. But make sure that your device have at least 4 gigabytes of RAM to actually run smoothly. So just click on install as see from here, and now it will start downloading. So there's actually another method that you can actually do this is using PlayStation. So if you have PlayStation, you can actually use Remote Play. So if you have PlayStation, you can just open your App Store and install a Remote Play app. So now you can actually buy Cuphead on your PlayStation and run it using Remote Play on your iPhone or iPad. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.